Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Chastity here, and if you're new, click that subscribe button. You need to be a subscriber to enter into this giveaway. I will be doing 4 giveaways over the next month or two. The first giveaway will be these 2 items. There will be 2 winners, 1 item per winner. The first item is a 3.5-inch Lodge mini egghead skillet, which is a limited edition, and the Cracker Barrel guitar skillet. I may decide to give away some channel merchandise on another giveaway, so we shall see about that later on. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube or Lodge Manufacturing Company. This is something I do every so often to show y'all I appreciate you watching my videos, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. This is only available to United States residents. I know I have some subscribers in other countries, but shipping costs too much to send this stuff out of the US. All you need to do to enter this giveaway is leave a comment about cast iron. Your favorite cast iron item, a cast iron item you'd like to have, it doesn't really matter. Whatever comment you want to leave about cast iron, just make sure you have hashtag cast iron in the comments somewhere. For example, this is what my comment would look like if I were to leave a comment on this video. I really would love to find a cast iron fluted pan on the factory seconds the next time I visit Lodge. And if you notice, I have hashtag cast iron before fluted pan. Do not leave a comment with just hashtag cast iron and nothing else because you won't be entered. Make sure you give me at least a sentence with the hashtag cast iron in it. Entries start now and will continue until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, November 30th. I will do a video of the drawing on Sunday, December 1st. The first name I draw will win the egghead skillet. The second name wins the guitar skillet. I will post it sometime on December 1st so you can see who won. Winners have until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wednesday, December 4th to contact me. You need to send me an email with your name, address, and which item you won so I can send it to you. If the item isn't claimed by that time, I will redo the drawing on Friday, December 6th. Okay, I tried to put as many details as possible in here because I've been told in the past that I didn't have enough details in there. So hopefully y'all understand what you have to do. Hashtag cast iron, a complete sentence about cast iron. Doesn't matter what you write. Just make sure it's about cast iron. Okay, good luck, everyone. Thanks so much for subscribing and watching, and I hope y'all have a very blessed weekend.